On 23rd January 2021, Civic Action Program was organized by BSA at BOP Dangar of 11th Battalion BSF on Indo-Bangladesh border. The program was inaugurated by SH Kuldeep Singh, Commandant. Various utility items like wheelchair, Vaishakhi walker and generic medicines amounting to rupees 1 lakh were distributed to villagers of the border area. More than 300 persons along with headman and village secretary were present on the occasion. The border area population appreciates the effort made by the BSF at the border area. It is worth mentioning that the BSF is making constant efforts to ensure safety and security of the civilians of bordering area. Besides these items, BSF also distributed medicines and provided medical facilities to bordering people through civic action programs. SH UK Nayal, DIG Pro BSF, praised the support of locals in border guarding and assured that BSF would continue its effort for the border population in future also.